What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys we do have an update on Flare, which has pumped up just about 11% in the last 24 hours, currently trading at just over 2 cents. So we'll be going through what is next for Flare. As you guys can see, over the last month or so it has been hitting green candles, heading upwards. Just like Bitcoin, it has been increasing in value, getting closer to the $100,000 mark. So is Flare a good buy right now? Is it time to sell it if you're on a profit, or should you hold on to it? And essentially looking at how high can it go. Can it hit around 4 or 5 cents later on in May, June, July, and looking at its long-term prediction as well. But before I do that, if you're new to the channel, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button. And also, this is no financial advice. Any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So at the bottom we have the RSI, which is currently at 63.70, and the purple one is at 75.28, which is pretty much on the verge of being overvalued. However, I am predicting it to take a little dip back down, potentially later on today, tomorrow, down to about 0.018 to 0.019 cents before it slowly starts to gain more value, heading up to 0.025 to 3 cents in the second and third week of May. Going into end of May, early June, we should expect the crypto to hit just over the 3 cents target, is what my current predictions are. And I'm also expecting Bitcoin to be heading over $100,000 by the end of May, which should have a positive impact on the crypto market. So if we do get rid of the RSI and bring on the Bollinger Band, we can see here, let's zoom in into the hourly chart. So as you guys can see, the crypto did take a little dip here over the last hour or so, dropping back down below inside the upper part of the Bollinger Band, which is looking quite good because it was overvalued earlier on in the day today. So it has corrected itself, and it is likely to drop down a little bit further down below the 2 cents target before heading back up. And we should see this red value, the red line here, heading over 0.022 to 0.023 cents, which means Flare is also likely to gain more value over the next couple of hours. Sorry, not couple of hours, couple of days going into next week. Zooming out to the 4-hour chart, at the moment the crypto is trading over the red line, which means it is slightly on the overvalued side, hence why I did predict it to drop down a little bit further down to 0.019 cents in value before heading back up over the next few days. Zooming out to the daily chart, again it is still trading over the red line, which once again proves that the crypto is more on the overvalued side, and that goes to the point what I mentioned literally about 30 seconds ago, dropping back down in value before slowly heading back up over the coming week or two. So if we do get rid of this line here, and if we do bring out the MACD indicator at the bottom, we can see here that the MACD line, which is the blue line, is trading above the signal line and above the baseline, which means it is looking quite bullish for Flare over the next couple of months going into June, July and August. By mid-year, the crypto, or in the second half of the year shall I say, the crypto should be heading at a much higher value than where it is at the moment, heading closer to 4 or 5 cents in value in Q3 is what my predictions are. But if there are any major updates on Flare or the crypto market in general, I will let you guys know as soon as possible. But at the moment it is looking quite bullish and positive for the crypto. One thing I would say is Bitcoin is likely to hit a new all-time high by mid-year. So over the next 6-7 weeks, I am predicting Bitcoin to be hitting a new all-time high, heading over $110,000, which should have a positive impact on the crypto market. And a bull run is around the corner. There will be more news on that, as I will be keeping us updated on the crypto market, but I am predicting a bull run on the crypto market, where we should see more and more people gauging with the crypto market, which means an overall increase in value. So Flare trading volume is up 140%, currently at $36 million, and it is likely to go up even higher over the coming weeks, as it is likely to gain a little bit more value than where it is at the moment. Over the week it is up 25%, and over the month it is 50% up, which is good to see, especially after the dips that have been taking place, especially here late last year, and which has been ongoing since literally about a month ago before it slowly started to recover. How high can Flare go in 2025? Let me know in the comment section down below, guys. A lot of people have been saying it's likely to get close as the dollar mark, which is way too high for me. I'm not expecting it to go anywhere near the dollar mark at the moment. In fact, its highest price point, which I'm predicting at the moment for 2025 is about 6 to 7 cents. So nothing too crazy. It is a reasonable amount depending on how Bitcoin performs, but at the moment it is looking quite good for Flare over the next couple of weeks and next few months as well towards the end of the year. But yeah, that is my prediction on Flare. Let me know what your thoughts and predictions are on the crypto for the rest of 2025. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here, guys. Before you click off, make sure to hit that subscribe button and like the video to enter the cryptocurrency giveaway, and I'll catch you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today or tomorrow. Until then, take care and peace.